How to get started with Tubebuddy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get a free account with Tubebuddy that you can use to optimize your videos and get more views on your YouTube channel. Let's get right into it. The first thing that we need to do is we need to get you a free account with Tubebuddy. Click on the link down in the description below, or you can type in tubebuddy.com/DM with Karl. This is going to take you over to the Tubebuddy website where you can sign up for a free account. Now there are paid versions of Tubebuddy, and if you want to look at taking your YouTube channel to the next level, if you use the link down in the description below and you're a new YouTube channel, you'll get a 50% discount off your subscription fee. So make sure you click the link in the description. This is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up for the paid version of Tubebuddy, I do earn a small commission, which helps keep this YouTube channel going and helps me create these videos for you. But for what we're doing in this video, you don't have to get the paid version right now. You can start off with the free account. So let's head over to Tubebuddy and let me show you how to sign up for that free account. Click on that link in the description below. This is going to take you across to the Tubebuddy website. Then we're going to head over to the top right and click on that sign in button. Now it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. And it's also going to ask you for a whole lot of permissions in order for Tubebuddy to access your YouTube channel. If you're a bit worried about the permissions, and some people do get a bit worked up because it does say that Tubebuddy is allowed to edit and delete some of your YouTube videos. If you want to fully understand what these permissions mean for your YouTube channel, then watch this video right here where we talk you through why Tubebuddy needs these permissions and how they're going to use it to help you optimize your YouTube channel so you can get more views. They do need to be able to edit and delete some of your videos, but that's only going to happen if you select that option within your Tubebuddy platform. So they're not going to go and edit your videos unless you are doing this from within the Tubebuddy platform. But if you want to get the full rundown, make sure you watch that video. So to continue, we're going to click that blue sign in with Google button. Then we're going to select the YouTube channel that you want to sign into your account with. And then it's going to ask you for the permissions. Now mine is signed straight into my account because I already have an account with Tubebuddy. It's going to ask you to accept and allow those permissions for Tubebuddy to edit your videos. Once you're happy with this, select allow, and it's going to log into your new Tubebuddy account. The next step is we need to get the plugin for YouTube installed on your computer. Now this is a Chrome plugin, so you're going to have to be in a Chrome browser in order to use this plugin on YouTube. So head over to the Chrome store and you can just search this within Google. If you don't want to search this, I'll leave a link for you down in the description below that you can click on. That'll take you straight into the Chrome store where you can download the Tubebuddy plugin. Now make sure that it is Tubebuddy and it's offered by tubebuddy.com. Another great way to check that it is the right app that you want to access is to check the reviews. So they've got over 7,600 reviews with a 4.6 rating. So you know that it is verified by over 7,000 people. And on the right hand side, mine says remove from Chrome, but yours is going to say add to Chrome. And you're going to click on that and it's going to install the Tubebuddy Chrome browser. And this is an amazing tool and gives you access to so much data about your YouTube videos and also about other videos that are on YouTube. Let me show you what it looks like once you've got it installed and how you can use it to start getting more views on your videos. Once we're on youtube.com, you'll see you have your Tubebuddy plugin on the right hand side. And the tools that it's going to give you access to is the Keyword Explorer, Click Magnet, Thumbnail Generator, Health Report, Video A/B Testing, this is part of the paid version of Tubebuddy, and also bulk processing and a copy center, comment moderation, which is a massive help for your YouTube channel. And then best practices checklist. It also gives you Videolytics, which is one of my favorite parts of Tubebuddy, which helps you look at the data of specific YouTube videos. And I'll show you more about that just now. Another really cool part of Tubebuddy to have a look at is the milestones tab. These milestones are so awesome to see in the beginning when you're hitting that first 100 subscribers, that first 1,000 subscribers, and that first 10,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. We're at 7.5 right now. So let's see how quickly we can get to that 10,000 mark. It also shows you how many views you've got. So we're on our way to 2 million views, and how many uploads you have on your YouTube channel. And we're nearly at that 200 mark, which we're really excited about. Now let me show you the data on specific videos that Tubebuddy is going to show you. So let's have a look at one of Life Full of Zest's videos here, and we can have a look at the data that she's using within her video. On the right hand side of the tab, you'll see your Tubebuddy plugin is going to show the video analytics for that specific video. So we can see this video has got 1,500 views, 10 comments, and 56 likes. 2 out of 20 of the suggested videos down on the right hand side or under the video on mobile is from Life Full of Zest. And her SEO score is 60 out of 100, which is a pretty good score. And it also breaks it down for you. So the tags in the title and description is 10 out of 20, tags in the title 10 out of 20, tags in the description 5 out of 20, total tag characters 15 out of 20, and total words in the description 20 out of 20. So it's scoring really well. And then the social signals is also given, which gives YouTube a lot of data about how much people actually like your video. So there's 7 people on Facebook that like this video, and we haven't put it on Reddit yet, and there are 0 upvotes on Reddit. The channel has 450,000 views, 8,000 subscribers, and 97 videos. The best practices: she's got a high resolution thumbnail. She hasn't pinned a comment yet. She's hearted a comment. Their info cards have been added. The video has been liked on Facebook. Chapters haven't been added to the video yet. End screens have been added and captions added. These best practices are really cool for you to check through to see that you're doing the best that you possibly can in order to optimize every single video. And this is my favorite part of the video analytics from Tubebuddy, is you can see what tags have been used on the different videos. And you can also click on the blue button, show search rankings. And it's so awesome to be able to see which tags are ranking and where they're ranking in YouTube search. Because YouTube search is so powerful. It's the second biggest search engine online, and there are so many people coming onto YouTube every single day searching for solutions, and you can be that video creator that is creating the solutions and reaching thousands and thousands of people all across the world with your videos. And Tubebuddy is the best tool for you to optimize how you rank in YouTube search. So make sure you're having a look at these tags. And a great additional is, if you are making a video that's similar to this, you can copy the tags on someone's videos. And I only want you to copy the ones that are relevant for your video. Don't go and copy all of their tags. Your video is never going to be exactly the same as someone else's. You always want your video to be unique. So make sure you only select the tags that you actually want to copy onto your video. And then once you've got the ones that you want to select, you can go copy to clipboard, and then you can paste those tags into your own videos. The next part about Tubebuddy that I want you to dive into is to check the competition and search volume for specific search queries. So if you're searching a term like Tubebuddy, and we type it into Google search, your Tubebuddy plugin is going to give you your keyword score down the right hand side. It may take a while to load the keyword score, especially with our South African internet here. I don't know how you guys do it over there, but in South Africa, we really battle with our internet. So we always have this circle turning and turning and turning, which is something that we have to deal with, but it's all good. We make it work, and we still get these videos created for you guys. So once that keyword score has come up, we can have a look at those statistics, and let me walk you through them right now. So the keyword score is broken down by two components, and that's search volume and the competition for that specific keyword. So the search volume for Tubebuddy tutorial is quite low, so it's poor, and the competition is really high, so it's also in the red and poor. But what you can do is come down to the related searches and find a search term that is a longer tail keyword, which should reduce the competition and increase our keyword score. Now remember, you always want to reduce the competition, so target a specific audience so that you have less competition for your video so you can access more people. The higher search volume keywords are not always the way that we want to go. You want to be able to find a balance when you're first starting out on YouTube so that you can start getting your views flowing from YouTube. Don't go after those big keywords that the big YouTubers are making. Try and find more specific videos that you can create for your specific audience. So have a look at that. The search volume for Tubebuddy tutorial is increased, which means it's going towards the green, and the competition has come down a bit, so our overall score has gone up to 29 out of 100. Now let's try and get a better keyword that gives us a higher score. So we can go to most used tags. Here's a good one: how to use Tubebuddy for YouTube. That keyword score is even worse, so let's try and make it more specific. So let's create it for 2020 and see if that can reduce the competition. There we go. The competition has gone to yellow, so it's heading towards that green area that we want to get to, and our overall score has gone to very good, 64 out of 100. And that's where we want to be as new creators on YouTube. We want to be in this green area, and that means we have a better chance of ranking our video for that specific term. So if you have a look, we are ranking number 3 for this specific term, which is really cool to see because we're getting the results from using a tool like Tubebuddy. If you have any questions or queries about Tubebuddy and you want to know more, you want a deeper dive on a specific topic, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to create a video just for you. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing because we create new videos just like this one every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.